Big news in web app persistence. SQLite and Chrome are collaborating to create an official SQLite WebAssembly build, backed by performant file system APIs. Intention is to empower developers to create their own solutions for structured storage. This solution will replace WebSQL. Check out Astro, a web framework for building fast, content-focused websites. Pull content from anywhere and serve it fast with Astro's next-gen island architecture. The idea of islands architecture was first coined by Etsy's front-end architect Katie Seiler-Miller in 2019. The term Astro Island refers to an interactive UI component on an otherwise static page of HTML. Multiple islands can exist on a page, and an island always renders in isolation. The technique that this architectural pattern builds on is known as partial or selective hydration. Astro leverages this technique behind the scenes, powering your islands automatically. Try www.locofy.ai. This tool enables you to transform your Figma design to React Native, HTML, CSS, or Next.js code really easily. You can ship products 3 to 4 times faster with your existing design tools, tech stacks, and workflows with Locofy. Check out Frank Eno's Animatus project on website accessgames.co. There are some really cool CSS animations for your website project. You can play different styles and copy CSS code for animation you would like to use in your website. Lueroxy on GitHub created weather app using vanilla JavaScript and Open Weather API. You can search cities worldwide and get current and forecast weather features. Code is available on GitHub. You can get link of project from description. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.